Guys, good morning. Happy Monday. Last week, I kind of let myself not have a routine, not have a structure. The whole reason why I did that is because when Monday came around, that's today, I told myself I was going to have more of a structure to my day, more routine-based day. I thrive off routines personally, and I wanted to show you guys how I'm kind of getting back on track with everything going on. I'm not working from home. I'm not working at all. It's really easy for me to feel behind, feel useless almost, and I don't want to feel that way. The best way for me to do that personally is to have routines. It's like 10:45. I listened to my body and slept in a little bit. Starting tomorrow, I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna wake up a little bit earlier every single day this week. I already have my coffee here. And I'm gonna get my day started. I'm gonna wash my face because I have not been doing that as much as I should lately, to be honest with you, and get my day going. I also wanted to point out that I watched Michelle read this morning, and that really helped me get into a better headspace. Be careful and mindful of who you're watching first thing in the morning. I think it's a really big changer of your day. So I love watching somebody like Michelle Reed, who makes me want to be productive, go outside, whatever it may be during these times. I think that's really important. Currently in the guest bathroom, I'm about to clean the whole house starting here. I just think it needs a really good wipe down. It'll make me feel really good, especially with everything going on. This spray, if you can get it, it's the Method Anti-Bac All-Purpose Cleaner. It's really good, and I'm sure you can't really get this right now, but if you can, get it. And I'm gonna do the time lapse. You know the drill. Let's go. I mean, you can totally tell I wiped down the 2 bar stools that we have on the countertops in the kitchen. Now I'm going to do the table. Okay, so I took a little bit of a lunch break, had some ramen. It was really good. And now I wanted to point out to you guys that I'm cleaning little things that we don't always think about cleaning. Doorknobs, light switches. I even cleaned the faucet sink, both faucet sinks, and also the oven handle and the microwave handle. Things that we touch kind of mindlessly without even thinking about it. Done now. The only thing I didn't do was mop. My roommate's really good at mopping and I'm not, so I'm gonna have him do that when he wants to. The floors aren't really that bad and they weren't my concern anyways. And probably in a few days I'll really do my room and my bathroom, so if you guys want to see that, give this video a thumbs up. But I'm gonna go ahead and do a body shower. I washed my hair yesterday, but I'm just gonna do a body shower, get out of my pajamas, and then I'm gonna do a load of towels with like all like the hand towels, the ones in the bathroom, all of that, and get those clean. Hi guys, honestly, I don't know what day it is. The days are starting to blend together. That's not good. Anyways, it's the next day. I also just woke up, so that could be something to do with it. I'm sure it'll click in my brain eventually what day it is. I ended up doing a really good job at like doing a routine yesterday. I made some TikToks, watched some TikToks, went to bed, not at a reasonably time, and I did not get good sleep last night, but I don't have to be anywhere. I don't have to go anywhere. So I'm social distancing myself. I don't have to be around people. I'm gonna make my coffee. It's like 10 a.m. I'm trying to give myself grace and not give myself a hard time when I wake up late. At least I'm not sleeping till noon. I'm not sleeping all day. I don't have to wake up at 8 a.m. I don't have to wake up at 7 a.m. like everybody else is. I can wake up at 10 if I want to. It's okay. And it's okay to do that multiple days in a row. There's a lot going on right now. I need to give myself grace. That was a pep talk for myself and for you. So let's make the coffee. Hi guys, it is so much later. It's a little bit after 4 now. I ended up taking a nap and I also like watched TikToks all day. So much for having a routine. I'm letting myself have so much grace during this period of time. Sorry if you can hear the dogs as well. It's currently playtime and I had his ball hostage to do this clip. I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. I feel like I have a good amount of footage. I really like the footage that I got, so if you guys liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more videos, and let me know what you guys want to see during this time of social distancing, because it's getting harder to think of video ideas. So let me know what you guys want to see, and I will see you guys in the next one very soon. Bye guys.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something better.